Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we have a cylindrical can containing pieces of fruit, and it is filled to the top with syrup before being sealed. So you have your fruit in here, right? All those pieces take up whatever percentage of the volume, and then the rest of it is filled in with syrup so that when you're done, the entire thing is full. So we're told that the base of the can has an area of 75 centimeters squared. The height of the can is 10 centimeters squared. So we know the volume of the cylinder is equal to the base times the height. So 75 times 10. The volume is 750 cubic centimeters. So if we're told that 110 centimeters of syrup are needed to fill the can at the top, and we know that the syrup plus the fruit equals 750, well, if the syrup is 110 plus the fruit is equal to 750, if we subtract 110 from both sides, these cancel and we get the fruit. The volume of the fruit is equal to 750 minus 110 is equal to 640. So you have 640 centimeters cubed of fruit plus 110 of syrup. Together makes 750, which is the full volume. So we're asked what is the volume of the fruit in the can, so 640. C is going to be your final answer. One last thing, if you're wondering why we didn't use the volume is equal to pi r squared h, this might be the formula you're familiar with the cylinder. Well, the base of a cylinder is a circle, so that's where you get that pi r squared is the volume, or is the area of the base. It's just b, which we know. We're not given in terms of the radius, we're given in terms of the total area of the base of the can. Either way, your answer is going to be C. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.